How to get fireproof plastic in your once human game, available here on your device or any device you're playing the game right now. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you some of those steps regarding this. So it's hard to ignore the inherent crafting mechanics laced within the adventure. After all, to get all idea gear and weapons or even the base best, you need to craft for that. Now, fireproof plastic is one of those items that can be pretty elusive to main players, so what this in the mind, here is how to find fireproof plastic in one's human game. Where to find fireproof plastic. Similar to refined parts, you will be only to get fireproof plastic in the Iron River. However, the resource is also only found by disassembling scraps. Thankfully, while the Iron River does not say you need to be minimum level of 21, it's purely a recommendation. So you can run in the grab resources, just be careful if you're lower level as the enemies are more powerful. When you find yourself in Iron River, we recommend heading the coordinates 4973 4489 that will lead you to the highlight or highland buildings which have plenty of loot in them. Just be careful of the enemies. So this is how you can get fireproof plastic in your once human game. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.